Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents inside of Condor's Business Class Amenity. Now this is the Business Class Amenity kit given to those in prime seats. So this is supposed to be an upgraded amenity kit. I'm not sure what the regular one looks like. So the contents, you have lip balm, facial moisturizer from WK. Not sure who the brand is. Got toothbrush and toothpaste in this pouch. You have an eye mask, socks, and if you need earplugs, they're available upon request from the cabin crew. So that is what is inside of Condor's Business Class Amenity Kit, specifically for those seated in the prime seats on Condor's new business class on their A330-900 Neo. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.